saying, Arnold. If you get hungry, the best fries I've ever had in my life was right here at Detroit Brew House. They put TLC on the fries, and they're delicious.
What do they put on it?
Like garlic and buttery goodness. So just know if you get hungry, that's the spot to go to. He usually looks out for if the owner's there, he won't charge us. But if he's not there, just buy it and join it.
You know he's not there. I didn't bring any
I look up my longer.
Once we see if we get running, I'll be introducing more of you guys to more people, okay? I don't like to see you guys get spend money. I want you here to make money.
You can't go in the C tier, right?
You can go in the C tier.
Really?
But only in between acts.
Okay.
So only during intermission can you service the seats down in the bottom pavilion.
How long are the intermission?
45 minutes usually.
Oh, yeah.
So, you know, you go down to
You know what time
not right now, let's look at it. Like, what I mean to tell you, man, is the biggest freaking out the way.
Yeah. That's what I was told. But you're the one out there while they're one of the and you're not allowed to speak to the crowd, no phones, all that shit. No phones.
Usually nobody will say nothing to you about that.
Oh, I already got so like that. Yeah, that's what he said. He said, this guy's very anal. They'll flip out if they saw that.
Adam Levine makes a 4-bottle water in plastic cup.
Hey, what is he going to do? Smash a good time? I went to jail from here one time.
I'm going to take 4 plastic cups and some plastic water.
What we had hit.
You guys hang out over here. We're going to do an actual we actually just did it. We did. So, we enter at 6:30. You guys can get product at 6.
What time we at right now?
5.
Oh yeah, what time are you going to read? 30, 10?
What's that? Huh? That's okay, I won't buy the station anyway. My old head said we won't so at 6 o'clock, we'll go to the gate and everybody else can go. Yeah, you're good.
Rich, are we good? Are we good for a minute?
Yeah, we're going to start loading, giving out product.
What's up, man? It's going. You work this a lot? How is it? Pretty good? Looks like it, if these guys are working it.